Hello, I'm Ryan. I'm here today to talk to you about the printed gazebo services that we offer here at Gala Tent, in particular the vinyl printed gazebos. But why would you want a printed gazebo? Well, if you're a marketing manager or a business owner, then you'll appreciate the importance of advertising and brand exposure. If you're out and about where your customers might be, then you're going to want to tell them who you are, what you do, and more importantly, how to find you. Businesses that trade at outdoor events such as street food sellers, market traders and other businesses that operate at exhibitions and shows, there's usually plenty of footfall there for you, but not everybody is going to want to spend their money immediately. They're going to want to know how to find you afterwards to spend that money. So adding a company logo, a web address or a phone number can increase your chances of gaining additional revenue. So what is vinyl printing and what are its benefits? With vinyl printing at Gala Tent, we take one of our 12 stock colours of canopies and gazebo walls and we print UV protected vinyl graphics that are then pressed using high heat onto those gazebo covers. It's a fast, professional and cost-effective way of adding branding to your pop-up gazebo. So let's say you just want to put a company logo on or a web address or social media tags. Vinyl printing is the way to go. You simply pay for the materials that are used in that printing on top of the cost of your gazebo. Prices start from as little as £25 per logo, and that increases with the amount of materials needed. So I mentioned it was fast. Well, depending on the season, we can and have turned this stuff around in as quick as next working day, although generally we do say 2 to 3 working days. We have a team of experienced graphic designers and print technicians here that are on hand to ensure that quality control is optimal and nothing ever leaves our doors in anything less than the best condition. So let's take a look at the process. Step 1. Your design is created by our team and prepared for printing. Step 2. Your artwork is printed off by one of our industrial printers. Step 3. The team prepare the vinyl in a process known as weeding. Step 4. Our experts will press the artwork onto your chosen gazebo covers. Step 5. The printing is quality checked. And finally, the product is folded away neatly and packed for dispatch. So where can we heat press the artwork onto your gazebo? On all gazebos we can print up on the top of the canopy and we can print along the valance that sits around the edges of your gazebo canopy. We can also print onto the sidewalls on the outside. We can't offer internal printing as standard due to the PVC waterproof coating on the walls. We can also print on the door section. Here's a few examples of vinyl printing that we've done for recent clients. So what are you waiting for? Get in touch with our team on 01709 242454 and chat about getting your branded gazebo sorted now.